intellectual, you know what I mean? My matcha water. It's so dark out. Hello, I'm going to get a haircut. I'm gonna put my inspo right here. And we are eating McDonald's before our haircut because it's at 1 p.m. and right now it's 12:30, so we're gonna munch this up. So this is before. Second week of school. It is Wednesday. I'm packing my lunch. Actually, this is my lunch. It's my breakfast. I have overnight oats with chia seeds. And then I have turkey, ground turkey with salad and tofu. Okay, not too bad. Usually my bag is super heavy. But let me just show you the fit. I'm kind of giving like cute grandma core. Hello everyone! I don't have school today, but I'm heading to school to go to a meeting that I have for TEDx. And this is what I'm wearing. Sweatpants. I have spandex underneath and tank top and cardigan. And I have my matcha water. Taste test. Delicious, as it should be. School fit check. I've got a cardigan on with a tank top, Uniqlo, dress pants, my Kindle as part of my outfit because like I'm an intellectual, you know what I mean? Oh my god. No way. Off to school I go, lads. Off to school I go. It is 7 a.m. I still have my retainers on and I'm gonna go for a run. Good morning everyone, happy Thursday. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So I just finished my run and I took a shower, as you can see, obviously. So now I'm going to make some matcha. Usually I drink coffee and as you guys know, I love my coffee. But today I don't want to be too like buzzed out. I think the past few days I have been overloading on caffeine. So I think it's time to chill out a little bit. I'm gonna be using Paragon's ceremonial matcha. Look at this book, so cute. Cheers. Taste test. Tastes like matcha. Yummy.
This is my breakfast. Lamb soup with some bot noodles.
Now I'm just gonna be doing some schoolwork and eating my breakfast. Okay guys, quick fit check before I go. I'm giving like muscle mommy right now. The fit is not fitting because I have work later, so I have to wear all black for work. So yeah. The perfume I'm gonna wear today is North Bondi by Way. It's like a clean, fresh shower scent. Oh. And one for you too. It's okay. Let's go to school. Good morning. It is currently 5:30 a.m. and I have to finish an assignment because it's due at 10. Finishing an assignment late. Let's see if I can do it. But also the TA and the prof are pretty chill. They said to us that if we can't submit it on time, they won't deduct anything. You can just email it to them. So I really want to get it in on time, but if it doesn't, then there's like really no consequence. So yeah, I think I can do it. Let's do it. And it's 8:46 a.m. I did that. Here we go. Here's the proof. Here's the proof. Easy. Yay! I love how there's like confetti when I upload something. Done. Hey yo, jump scare. I almost forgot to submit it with my references and my citation. Cheers. Mommy's joining me today. We're walking to the station together.
Damn, my mom always pulls through with the meal. This is very much needed after a very long day. Oh, so delicious. This is called mee guang. And she gave some little veggies with lime on the side.
That was so good. I'm reading the book, The Legend. I have so much work to do. I can't even edit right now because the club I am organizing for, I just have so much to do for it. So I'm organizing an event and I'm the content producer. And tomorrow we have a very important dress rehearsal. So I can't even edit and post. I'm so sorry. It's coming, but I'm so busy right now. Bye. Good morning, everyone. It is currently 5:57 a.m. and I had the most terrible sleep. I slept for like 3 hours from 11 to 2 and then woke up and I couldn't go back to sleep. My heart was just pounding. I think I'm like nervous or like excited for this event. So now I'm just gonna go on a run. Yeah, to let these nerves out. Oh, it's so dark out. That don't stop us. Let's go. Done. My speed was very slow. I sped up at some parts, but I slowed down at some parts. Just listening to my body. That's all. Guys, look at this setup. I took my sister's mirror from her room, and this is my makeup cart. And I'm doing it out here because Jessica is sleeping, and I don't want to wake her up while I do my makeup because I want to listen to music. Get ready. Let's get ready. Get ready with me. This is the before, and this is the finished look. This is the final look, y'all. And then I'm gonna wear knee-high boots. But no shoes in the house. Just imagine it on me. I feel so cute.